How to activate Google Fi eSIM on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can activate Google Fi eSIM on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. Before we start, make sure that you have a compatible Android device with eSIM support, a strong Wi-Fi connection for the setup, your Google account, and also a Google Fi subscription. If you don't have that, you could simply sign up at fi.google.com. Now once you're done with that, you have to open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Google Fi and install Google Fi in your device. Once the installation is complete, you can open up the application. Then you have to sign in using your Google account. So from here, choose your plan. So choose plan, and after that you have to choose phone. So when asked how to set up your phone, you have to choose set up with eSIM. The app will automatically check your phone's compatibility. After that, follow the on-screen prompts. Google Fi will automatically download your eSIM profile. Wait a few minutes while it activates. If prompted, allow the permissions and confirm mobile plan installation. After setup, now you can restart your device to finalize your activation. You should now see Fi Network or Google Fi as your carrier. After that, you could try to call, text, and use your mobile data. Open the Google Fi application to confirm that it shows active. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.